Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Domus bar espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the grinder wasn't working and this machine needed tune up. One of the LED lights wasn't working either, so we did a little bit of repairs, replacing that LED light that you see right here, replacing the shower screen of the machine, the gasket of it as well, deep cleaning everything inside the group head, deep cleaning, descaling the machine, replacing the steam bag assembly that you see right here. This one was not closing the steam one and it was leaking, but it was happening. What else we did? We also deep cleaned the grinder as well, and yeah, that's all we did with this machine. So starting with wash up espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the grinder and then the steam of the machine. As you can see, going straight to 8 bars. It's perfect. Coffee is extracting very well. Nice crema. They're looking great. Good shot of espresso. Right, and while the machine heats up and gets ready for steam, we're gonna test the grinder. For this one, like I said, we just unplug it, we clean it, and that's all we do. And as you can see, it's running perfectly fine. It can be adjusted through here. Working great. Right, and now we're gonna be waiting for the steamer to get up to pressure so we can see steam coming out of the bottom. Alright, now that light is up, so that means the boiler is now in good pressure, and as you can see, good steam coming out of the machine, working excellent, working great, and no steam coming out when you close it. And there you have it, La Pavoni Domus bar working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.